be promising I say I go attend the Aba festival as special guest some days ago, and I be actually be dey come, but I no see road pass to reach here. I can't go back to Benin. Edo State Governor Gordon Obaseki talk this one for the inauguration of Ministry and Enthronement of Venerable Ebenezer Omoiza Saiki as the second diocesan bishop of Akoko Edo Diocese for St. James Cathedral, Ugbogbo, Igara, for Akoko Edo local government area of Edo State. Oga Obaseki come talk say him administration don talk to federal government tire to let them fix federal roads for the state, but the federal government no gree allow am and say them tell am make he leave federal road alone. Obaseki come say make him Royal Highness the Otaru of Igara help am beg them for Abuja to let state fix federal roads wey no good for Edo, and say need dey to sustain collabo between political and religious leaders to push growth and development across the state and country. He constantly talk say him as governor dey deal with everybody for the state, and he know the importance of church, and say he dey here today to fulfill his promises to bishop wey he make 2 months ago say he go attend the event by himself.
I had promised Zaiki, His Royal Highness, that I'll attend and be a special guest at the Aba Festival a couple of days or weeks ago. I actually was on my way, but there was no road. So I had to turn back and went back to Benin. And I sent my apologies. I want to repair your road. but you have to help me. You have to help me beg them in my Abuja to let me do it. They say it's their own and they will not let states work on their roads. So you have to help us beg Abuja so that we can take these roads and fix them.
Make you not forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Edo State, Belumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.